Today we're going to learn about bed types. We're here to help you to choose an ideal bed for your bedroom. So here we have some pros and cons of every type of bed. Right now we see about platform bed. In following video we discuss about other beds one by one. So without any further ado, let's get started. Design. There are many different types of beds, and choosing the right one is an important decision. A place to relax, a place to unwind and have a peaceful night's sleep. That's what an ideal bedroom is for most of us. Beds are probably the largest furniture in your bedroom, and a large investment, so it's important to make sure it provides you the best in comfort and relaxation. A platform bed, also known as a cabin bed, is a bed with a base consisting of a raised, level, usually rectangular, horizontal solid frame, often with rows of flexible wooden slats or lattice structure meant to support just a mattress. This platform alone provides adequate, flexible support and ventilation for a mattress, eliminating the need for a box spring or separate bed base. Platform beds contribute towards a fuss-free and clean decor. So for all who like sleek and modern furniture designs, a platform bed is the right choice. A lot of new platform beds are inspired by Asian Zen designs for a bedroom decor that is minimal and elegant. Platform beds can have metal or wooden frames, and each type has its own advantages and disadvantages. Pros and cons of platform beds. Pros: cost less than a standard box spring bed, doesn't require a box spring for support, may provide additional storage space in the frame. And cons: with no box spring, the mattress can become firm or damaged over time. So that's it for today, guys. I think you all clear with platform bed. We still many types of bed to know. So we create a playlist for you types of bed series in our channel. Just go and check it out.